So hello everyone, we are Team Halfbit Inc. and we have selected the project from the track one, that is the NoteMaker app. So this is our homepage where first of all we need to log in or sign up to access all other features. So first of all let's log in. So here is the join now button where we first of all we need to register. So we have to provide the name, then the email, then password and confirm password, and then you can sign up. And because I have already signed up, so let me log in. So now you can see that I am logged in. Now I can access the notes and shared page as well. So let's go to notes page.
So here we have reached on the main page. So these are all the cards which are being displayed here, and card can be referenced to as the folder which is there in the device like computer devices. There is a folder we have represented it as a card, and the image which you can see on the card is not hard coded in it, which we have used the API which is provided by the Unsplash, and we have recalled the images on the basis of the a folder name which we have given, like this is dynamic programming. On the basis of dynamic programming attribute, the API will return the collection of image, and I have fetched the one image and displayed it here. Suppose API doesn't return, API returns the empty array, means no image is found. Then we have used to handle that error, we have used the by default image so that that error could be handled. And now flip the card. So here all the topics related to particular folder will be displayed, which we can consider it as a file. So open the first note. So this is our editor, the editor which I have used for our project is the Quill editor, so that I could provide user interface, neat and clean interface for his code, so that he can indent, he can modify his, he can customize his note according to his desires. So this is, and the features which I have provided are font style change, bold, italic, underline, stroke, indentation, and alignment, superscript, subscript, and changing the font size. And we can also embed the video that you can see the video is being embedded through the link, and we can also uh, provide a link to a particular text, and also we can use code blocks, like you can see above the video, the code blocks is being used so that the a user can put his code in a neat and clean manner. And this is all about our, our editor. And the extra feature that we have provided is that after creating a note, he can also edit that note. Suppose make the changes, please. Suppose these are the changes which is being made, and save changes. Now save change, it will show the alert with the message saved changes. And now when we open that topic again, you can see that the changes were being made. Yeah, this is the change that we have made. The changes were made. So this is the topic, and create a new topic and give some content. Save. On creating, it will show up. Sorry, open, and you can see the card is being created, and it is being in the subfolder of the main card. So this is the card, and we have provided the two features for every topic for the user. Whether he can delete that particular topic so that his card could be neat and clean and for the later use, and else he can share the feature. As he click on delete, as you can see, the file is being deleted. Now we share the file and provide the link to whom you want to share this topic. So click on share. So this the alert is being shown with the name shared note successfully. This note is being shared to me, and this is all about. And if I want to share, so let us move on to the shared notes page.
So because meanwhile our share folder is empty, so it is showing an alert. So now one of my friend Akash Yadav will share his note to me. So Akash.
Right. wait for me. I am providing the email ID. And right. Now refresh it. I have shared the file.
Yeah, so now you can see the shared file is here and the note is displayed. Okay, Nikhil. And we can also delete the share file from the delete button that we have provided here. Okay.
So let us move on to the home page. Let's check the responsiveness of our website. Right. As you can see, it is perfectly perfect orientation on the Pixel 2 and any other responsiveness also. As you can see, Galaxy Fold, it is also responsive and all other responsive also. So can you click on the logos? Yeah. Nikhil, can you click on the logos? Right. We have also provided the feature of the logger so that user can log out from a device uh, if you want to for the security purpose. So this is all about our project.